basically three logical operators in Python, which are,
You didn't start. Start. Now you did.
yeah. So there are three logical operators in Python. There are three logical operators. Basic logical operators, which are number one is and, number two or, number three not. Okay, so let's do this. So we will perform a simple greater than less than. Have you performed the greater than and less than in your maths? X equals to, hello.
What is the use of Python?
In which
Like the
scenario?
whole Python.
It
Or
is using yeah. The usage of Python is Python is now using in artificial intelligence. Python is using in robotics. Python is in machine learning. Python is in Django. Python is on website
oh,
everywhere. Yeah. So let's begin the operators. And, or not. So first of all, we will perform for and. So there is x equals to 5. Okay. So have you performed greater than and less than?
what?
Hello. Have you performed greater than and less than?
Yeah.
So x less than greater than 3 and x less than 10. So when we will run this, true.
True, false
So
again.
basically, yeah. So basically, what is the statement means that true because 5 is greater than 3 and 5 is less than 10. Okay, let me write down here. Uh, true because because 5 is greater than 3 and is less than 10. Wait, yeah, 10. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So now moving towards or. Let me clean the empty space from here.
you can scroll down.
Yeah, wait. No, I will send you this file. That's why I'm cleaning all this.
Oh,
So, yeah. So for or statement, what we will do, uh, yeah. So we will take the same thing, or, and we will put or. Then, what is the problem with this? Wait. Mhm. Or greater than or x greater than 5. So let me see this, that what will happen. We will run this true and true. So whenever there are the simple same, which x is equals to 5, and here we are also using the 5. So let me do this 4, and we will run this true. And when we will do this 3 6, true. So why this is true, tell me.
Uh, because of you put it the x equals 5.
Exactly.
What?
Yes, basically. Wait, so let me show you the basic example of it. Wait, it's 4 here, and run this now. So it's true. So 5 is greater than 4. Yeah,
Uh, no. Yes,
5
yes.
is not greater than 4. 5 is greater than 4, and 5 is
Yeah,
greater than 3 also. So
yeah.
that's why. Okay.
Oh,
So
yeah.
now we will use not statement.
What is the not state?
Yeah. Wait for a while.
Okay.
Okay. So now, yeah. So basically, why it was coming true. So the statement for or is reverse reverse true if one statement is true. So if one statement is true, the another will true automatically. So if one statement is false, it will make false automatically the another one. Look. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So basically this is the theory for or. And for not, what we will do, we will do the same thing for not. Copy. So not will reverse the statement. Not will make all make true, make false if true, and if it's true, so it will make it false. Okay.
Okay.
So run this. Okay. Basically
Okay.
it's false, but it is showing it's true.
Yeah.